Welcome to the world's biggest sports event, the Olympics Games segment, one opening ceremony. Visuals, Olympic Stadium, the flame, teams entering, cheering crowds. Voiceover. Welcome to the Olympic Games 2024, where the world's finest athletes gather to compete, inspire, and make history. The Olympic flame burns bright, symbolizing unity and excellence. Segment 2. Football, group stage. Visuals. Teams in action on the field. Voiceover. The football tournament kicked off with intense group stage battles. Brazil, France, Germany, and Spain showed incredible teamwork, scoring thrilling goals and keeping fans on the edge of their seats. Segment 3. Football, semifinals. Visuals, Brazil versus France, Germany versus Spain. Voiceover. In the semifinals, Brazil faced France. After a dramatic match and a penalty shootout, Brazil advanced. Meanwhile, Germany defeated Spain with a last-minute goal. Segment 4. Football final. Visuals, Brazil versus Germany final. Fans cheering. Voiceover. The final was a spectacle. Both teams scored early, but Brazil's counterattack strategy led them to a 2-1 victory, earning the gold medal and overwhelming celebrations. Segment 5. Hockey group stage. Visuals. India, Pakistan, Australia, Netherlands on field. Voiceover. The field hockey tournament started with high energy. India, Pakistan, Australia, and the Netherlands dominated their groups, showing speed, skill, and precision. Segment 6. Hockey. India versus Pakistan. Visuals. Intense India-Pakistan match. Voiceover. The historic rivalry between India and Pakistan kept fans on the edge. Pakistan defended fiercely, but India scored in the final minutes, securing a dramatic win. Segment 7. Hockey finals. Visuals. India versus Australia final. Voiceover. In the final, India's teamwork and aggressive attack led them to the gold medal. Australia earned silver and the Netherlands took bronze. Segment 8. Athletics, sprint events. Visuals. 100-meter sprint, athletes on the track. Voiceover. The athletics track was electrifying. The 100-meter final surprised everyone when a young sprinter broke the Olympic record, winning gold in a breathtaking finish. Segment 9. Athletics, javelin, and field events. Visuals. Javelin throw, long jump, shot put. Voiceover. In field events, Pakistan's javelin athlete showcased incredible skill, earning a bronze medal. Other field events saw world records broken and new stars emerge. Segment 10. Swimming, freestyle, and relays. Visuals, swimming pools, athletes diving. Voiceover. The swimming arena was full of speed and power. American swimmers dominated freestyle, while Australia triumphed in relay events. Several world records were shattered. Segment 11. Combat sports, taekwondo, and boxing. Visuals. Fighters in the ring, mat. Voiceover. Combat sports brought excitement and discipline. Underdogs defeated champions, showcasing determination. Medals were won by athletes from Pakistan, Korea, and Iran. Segment 12. Gymnastics. Visuals. Gymnasts performing on beam, bars, floor. Voiceover. In gymnastics, balance, strength, and precision defined the champions. Teams from the US, China, and Russia wowed the audience with flawless routines. Segment 13. Basketball. Visuals. Fast-paced Olympic basketball matches. Voiceover. Basketball was intense, with the USA dominating early matches. France and Spain challenged them, but the USA eventually took the gold with a strategic win. Segment 14. Medal highlights. Visuals. Medal ceremonies across sports. Voiceover. The medal tally reflected fierce competition. The United States led overall, followed closely by China and Japan. Pakistan celebrated key victories in taekwondo and athletics. Segment 15. Closing ceremony. Visuals. Fireworks. Athletes celebrating, passing the torch. Voiceover. As the Olympics concluded, the stadium lit up with fireworks. Athletes celebrated, friendships were honored, and the Olympic spirit reminded us that sports transcend borders. Look at the sky. A dazzling display of fireworks lights up the Olympic Stadium, celebrating the triumphs of athletes from around the world. Red, green, blue, and gold sparkles explode in rhythm with the cheering crowds. Each burst represents courage, dedication, and the joy of victory. As the fireworks dance above, the Olympic flame glows bright below, reminding us of the spirit that unites nations and inspires millions. From every corner of the globe, athletes smile and wave, sharing this magical moment. As the night sky becomes a canvas of celebration, excitement, and unforgettable memories.